How do you take off your Medi compression socks properly with the Medi 2-in-1 donning and doffing aid? This video clip will give you some valuable tips because it's really easy once you know how. This video shows you how to take off a knee-high sock, a thigh-length stocking, and pantyhose properly. Sit down and lay the Medi 2-in-1 flat on the floor in front of you. The edge with the opening should be facing you. Slide your foot as far as possible into the opening of the Medi 2-in-1. Pull your sock down to the calf, in other words, to the top edge of the doffing aid, and then roll the cuff down over the doffing aid. Cross your leg over the other one. You can now easily pull the sock outwards over your heel towards the toes. Pull the sock right down and off. Medi's 2-in-1 is a compact device that helps you to apply and remove compression hosiery. By the way, Medi 2-in-1 is very easy to care for. It can be machine washed in the delicate cycle at 40 degrees Celsius and simply left to dry. Medi 2-in-1 gives you the greatest possible help when putting your compression socks on and taking them off. The sock effortlessly glides over your instep and heel. Medi 2-in-1 is suitable for all sock lengths and sizes with open or closed toes. The practical daily helper fits neatly in your handbag, so you can always rely on it, even on journeys.